Hey, what's up, Gofsies? It's your boy Stan, the coolest in the city, and I'm about to give you reasons as to why I think I make the perfect candidate for the next Gofsi cyberstar. Firstly, I'm a free spirit with a colorful aura who lives life outlandish, and I believe my interpersonal skills are top 2 and not 2. Secondly, cool factor. Cool factor is a tangible that can go out noticed, and I believe I got coolness by the truckload. I mean, if it was any cooler, I'd probably turn into ice. Last but not least, I'm always attending campus events, which means I'm always in the loop. So allow me to give you the scoop. So if you think I've got what it takes to be the next Gofsi cyberstar, do the right thing by retweeting and liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Ntovela.